guys! Welcome to my channel! So pupunta tayo sa Ikea. So this is the opening day of Ikea at naka-slot kami ng 12 p.m. So may slot na kami, nakabook na kami nung first day pa ng opening nila. So tara, punta tayo Ikea! Nandito na tayo sa MOA. Malapit na. Hello guys, papunta na kami sa MOA. Ayan, MOA. Oh. Ayan. Hello guys, so meron kami stamp from Ikea. Ayan, so as you can see, let's go to Ikea. So, dito tayo kakain. Miss, tanong ka lang, dito ba yung Tita Ball?
Yes, you can. Meron yung restaurant sa taas.
Okay, so dito yung cafe, yung mga masasarap nilang bread. So, yan na yung showroom nila, guys. Yan yung showroom. Nasa ito yung mga products. Ayan. Oh my God. Ayan, so yan, ABS-CBN News. Ayan, baka ma-feature na ako sa TV. Fairness, ang laki ng elevator nila, guys. Ang laki na kaya ng elevator. Sir, kasya dyan, 5 cart ka. Ayan, diba may elevator, laki-laki, oh. Ayan, so ito yung bed, the showroom. So, kung mahilig kayo sa games, guys. So, ito yung pinaka... tawag dito, itong upuan is 8,990. So, medyo mura na rin to. Naman upuan. Tapos, ayan. So, medyo masarap to upuan, guys. Ayan, kahit sa nakikita ninyo. Ayan. Hindi. Tapos, ano, ayan. This is 28,990. Itong, lalagyan to ng, tawag dito, mat is 890 and this is 690, so medyo mura na rin. So ito is 8,990, 8,990. So mahilig talaga sa games, meron din talaga dito. Ayan guys, ayan, oo. Ayan. So, tara, let's go to the next section.
Si Daddy.
Kaya ka mo muna siya. So this is the so ayan is 1115, medyo na rin sakto lang sa presyo, pero then yan 790, 990, 190, eto 990, excuse me. And then ayan, kung Ayun, ito hinahanap namin to. Kailangan namin to. 1150. Medyo mura na rin siya. At saka to, 70 pesos. Isipin mo, meron ka ng comfortable just 70. Ayan, 190. So, saktong-sakto lang sa guys. Sa ano, medyo maingay lang dito. Pero, ano, ayan. Ito, pakabili namin to. Ito, tsaka to. Kasi,
Table, itong table.
table, mahal to.
Mahal, no?
Hindi walang presyo nakalagay itong table eh. Ayan.
2,000.
Kaya pwede na rin. Maganda na rin itong table. Mura na rin siya. Kasi yung presyo, mas maganda pa yung quality nito sa lifetime. Kasi ano to eh, Sweden brand to eh, Torparo. Oh,
O yan, picturean mo.
Ayan.
Bibili natin.
ayan. Tas,
Parang masyado malaki yung table eh.
oo.
Mahal pa tayo man.
So ito guys. So ito is medyo mura, 59.90. Then ito sofa nila. So tingnan natin kung comfortable. Upo ka nga, mami. Comfortable ba, mami? Pwede na. So ito 49.90. So ito is 990 yaar. So then picture frame, mami. Picture frame cost 290. May 290 sa picture frame. May 490. Ay, 490 oh.
Gagawin natin dyan.
Oh. Ayan, may mirror, 590 siya. So, medyo mura din yung mga prices nila. Medyo lang, pero hindi super mura. So, tara. So, this is 12,990. 3,950. Ayan, so 2,490 at medyo matibay na rin yung quality niya. Oh, mami!
Papila na lang natin si Daddy.
Hindi na. 290, hindi na maka 290, ano? Place,
Gagawin natin dyan.
lalagyan ng ano, no 90. So, medyo pare-parehas lang siya, 3,900 itong mga to. Tapos ito, 2,490. So, yan. So, medyo ano lang siya. So, ito sa kitchen naman tayo, guys. So, 590. Okay. Oh my God. 116,950. So, ito is Electrolux. 35,495. So, ito ako naman. Diba? Sobrang comfy niya. Diba? Sobrang comfortable. Parang naman akong ano dito mayaman. So, how much is this one? This is 38,180. So, ano? Bilhin na kayo.
Ito mura, 390.
390, ayan.
Okay.
Oh, yun. So, ayan, 390.
Ito maganda rin eh.
Oo, 390. So, 1, 2, 1, 850. Ayan.
Nasaan na si Daddy? Gulo.
Wow. Okay, so ito na yung pinakabilihan ng Ikea. Wow. 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 Mami, upo ka nga dito, mami.
Natin mo na yung table.
Yan nga, mamaya na. Yes, let's go find the tables. So, this is the baby area. As you can see, guys. The baby area. So, medyo maraming tao kasi first day pa lang na yon. So, let's go sit. Ayan. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa medyo pang ano. Ito is the pillow. So, 300 pesos yung pillow. Medyo sobrang lambot. I think this is for babies, kaya ganon. So, this is 990. So, kung gusto nyo ng cortina, this one. Oh my god, that's my favorite bolster. Ah, you can you win? Oh, 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 bolster.
Bolster sa bahay. Sinabit-tabi mo.
So this one is the unan. So if you want for fitted sheet, mommy, fitted sheet is just 400 pesos.
Nakapaka lang sa tita.
Oh my god, nalaglag na. Okay. Anyway, don't mind it. So just ano lang talaga. Ganda tela niya eh. So that's 990. This is just 440 and the tela is like cotton. So let's go to the face, other face. So if you're suki with your unans,
Ayan, dulo na yan.
just go here in the pillow section. Like this is just 1490, 690, mga ganon. So kung kaya naman ay nasa toys section, ayan yung makikita ninyo. Okay. So let's go. Mommy, and this dinosaur, diba? Rar, rar. Yeah. Mommy, hold this. Ano masasabi mo dyan? Video me. One dinosaur. And then the rhinoceros. Then also the Catholic. Yeah. Let's say this one. What is this? Wait, it's a chocolate. Wait, what is chocolate in English? I think this is a lizard. I love toys. Really, I really love toys, guys. So, ayan. So,
Oh,
So that's the panda section, and the price of that was 200 pesos. So tara, let's go to the other section. So this is the baby section, so we don't need it. So for babies, napasok tayo. This one is the bedroom of the kids. Like, yung ganda siya. This is my dream room when I was a kid. Gusto ko talaga na ganito, cup night, and then the bedroom. And then, ayan o, for boys. Ang ganda, grabe. I never did seen this before. So next naman tayo is here. For babies to. Then, oh my god, this is 22,000. But your 22,000 is worth it. Look. Wow. Wow, look. The baby's room. Nasa kids tayo. So we're done with the kids section. So now we are in the cabinet. So this kind of 3-drawer cloth chest is 7,990. And also the 3-drawer chest is 12,990. So kind of expensive, not kind of expensive, but it's worth it because it's imported. So
folding table. Tanong mo.
So this is the chest. Yan. It's like we're in the US kasi ganito yung mga setup na mga what you call it, Walmart, and there are. This is the okay.
Liga na. Pakita mo sa kanya yung folding table at yung folding chair.
So yung phone.
Pakita mo sa kanya yung folding table.
So this costs 16,990, and it's kind of beautiful. It's really beautiful, guys. Ang ganda talaga niya.
Gagawan kasi yun ng mga sauce. Kasi gagawan mo.
Wow, super many people here. Grabe. So, ito, 10,990. So, ang ganda na rin itong ano na to. Wow, may mapapamili talaga. For now, kasi ang target ko lang bilhin is the table and the chair talaga. So, ayan.
Pero maganda, malaki oh.
Wow. Yeah, it's big, but it costs 35,050.
Ganda naman. Kasama na ito oh.
Dapat iano mo kay Pasita.
Hindi na. Wala akong bibenta.
This is wow, 34,050. Okay,
Folding chair.
folding chair. This one, folding chair. So this is are the chairs. So we are in the chair area, guys. So 6,450, 9,950, 3,950. So this is are the chairs, guys. So where are the folding chairs, sir?
Pakita mo sa kanya, saan yun?
The Torparo. It's the Torparo, sir.
Wala eh.
Folding chair, ma'am.
Ito, pakita mo nga.
Okay. Ang ganda talaga dito. Yun lang masasabi ko. So this is just 150. Plastic bag dispenser. Kukuha ka ng plastic dyan. Or dito. Just 150, guys. So lalagyan ng mga ano. This is 190 pesos. Tama ba? Sumo? Yeah, I want this one. 190. I want more bigger eh. This is 190 pesos, guys. So this is ayan na lang. This is 250 pesos. 250 pesos. Wow. 250 pesos. Ayan na lang. Ito na lang. Bilhin mo. 250 pa.
Sigurado ka, 250
Ayan o.
yan?
Mopsik. Ayan o. Mopsik. So, wow. I'm just amazed, guys. Sobrang amazing talaga. So, guys. So, meron dito. Ano? Mga plates. Lalagyan mga plates. So, meron na kasi kami. So, this is 690. Yeah, try natin. Okay na. Hanggang dito na lang, miss. Hanggang dito na. So this is worth 27,000. Can you video me how it does it feel? Oh, sobrang lambot, guys. Mas malambot na sa kama namin. Pero this is just 27,000 pesos. You can feel the here. So, one pick, please. Okay.
Hindi ako nag-click.
Hindi, okay lang. Hindi dapat ganyan. So, this is the spring mattress. And the spring mattress here is worth 4,990 for a single bed. Wait, I'm tired. For a single bed and it's 7,990. So, it's a spring. Parang siyang true sleeper, pero malambot siya. Kaya, yan. So, let's go to the next corner. So, this is just the Strada. This is worth 12,900. Whoa, my God. Hindi na ba nakikita? Sobrang lambot. Lumulubog talaga ako, guys. Ang lambot na ito. If I were you could buy this spring mattress. And it's cold pa. Hawakan mo nga, mami. It's cold. Here, hawakan mo dito. Here.
Ito may mattress pad eh.
Yeah, may mattress pad. This is called the cold mattress pad. Guys, here is 4 to 1,000 for the king size. Ito hindi masyadong malambot, guys, pero maganda na rin siya. So, mas maganda pa siya sa mga local brands, guys. So, tara, let's go. So, this one. Woo! Medyo malambot siya. Magaganda na rin yung price niya, guys. So, ayan, this is the Ikea value. This one, as you can see, the whole, guys, pakita mo nga lahat. Okay. Okay, wow. So, this one is the, double deck price. 49.90 guys, 49.90. Then the bed is 13.90. It's a metal wood frame. So let's go, guys. Where are we going? First, the next destination. Miss, we're going to the exit. This way. Oh, sige.
Hello.
Guys, so every product under 100. Second floor. So this is the 50 pesos. Namin lagkit na to. So there.
Di ba nakapila sila?
Okay.
Pumasok ka ng konti, may pababang stairs. Doon ka. Doon ka dumaan ha. Ngayon lang.
This is 50 pesos, mommy.
Bibili ka ako.
Akan, the cart. We need the cart. Hindi pwede sa basket yan. We need the cart. Hello, miss. I needed the cart. Where's the cart? Okay. So this is our cart. Ikea cart. Okay. So the Ikea cart. Gusto ko ganyan. No, I want one. I want this one. One plate. Big plate. So this is worth 50 pesos, guys. So cheap, right? 50 pesos lang. You will have a plate na. Imported pa. So this is 50 pesos.
Dalawa lang, pwede na.
Yeah. I want bowl also.
Huwag na.
Bowl. Dalawa. So we will buy with a bowl. So guys, 50 pesos lang, guys. So makakabili ka na ng ng plato, guys.
Hindi mo, wala tayong paglalagyan.
Okay lang yan. Let's go na. You push the cart. For the vase. Medyo babasagin, kaya fragile muna. Mahirap basagin, baka bayaran. So the bag. The hanger. So let's see kung matibay hanger niya. Oh no. What the quality of Ikea, it's so nice, but the quality is 90 pesos per 10 pieces. 90 pesos, 10 pieces. Maganda ba yung quality? Daming tao dito, guys. Super duper daming tao, as you can see. So this is 90 pesos. Same. Oh. I like this one. I like this one. No, I like that one. I like. I like that one.
Isa lang bilhin mo.
Walang ganda. Gusto ko na
Blue.
Isa lang. Yung blue na lang.
Okay, I'm gonna buy blue. I want to buy this one green. So this is 70 pesos. Okay. So next is this is the glass. So dami pala pagpipilian dito. So if you're building a restaurant, you can buy this one here in Ikea. Okay. Another glass. Ayan, so medyo marami siya. Ikea, category per category. Example, kung bedroom category, kung box category, kung plate category, kung mga kitchen tools, mga living room, mga cabinet, upuan, may sarili-sarili silang category, guys. So, yun ang maganda dito.
Magkano nga? Ang ganda-ganda.
Yeah. Ito, the price of this one is 90 pesos. You want?
Ano pa?
Let's go. Ano? Oo. So,
Yan, 290 lang.
290. Ayan. So, ano, so maganda na rin to. Iron. Mini iron na tower dito. So, oh. Bibili ka na ng iron o meron ka na iron? Okay, so you just bought a mini iron.
Kailangan pa natin ito? Huwag
Yeah. No. 290. Okay, let's go. Doon ka na bumili dito ng iron.
Masyado malaki yun eh. Ipapalitan mo yun doon sa na-pay.
Maghanap tayo.
Masyado malaki yun eh.
Ayan o. Ito maganda. 290. Silver.
O yan na lang. Masyado malaki. Dapat medium size lang yung ganitong size. Ayan o. Ito
Wala.
manipis lang o.
Ayoko. 390 yan. Ito.
Manipis lang naman.
Pero mas maganda to. Gusto ko to. Sobrang haba ng pila, guys. Sobrang haba. Super first day talaga. Hello, guys! Try the ice cream of them. So, let's go. Ayan, ice cream. Ayan. So, this is the ice cream dispenser. So, how will I know? Ikaw na, miss. Okay, it's okay. So, paano yan? So, like that. Then, what will I press? What's this?
Yung ano, ihulog niyo po dito, yung coins.
Wait. The coin. So, I thought this is the ano. So, this is the coin of Ikea. Tama ba? Tapos,
Press niyo po.
what's this one ba?
Inig kayo. Yan, okay.
Okay. Okay, so excited of it. Automatic na siya. Wow! The ice cream result! So, ang kailangan namin is jaryo, and then the tape, and then the babasagin na plato. Ayan. So, yun ang wrapping. So, let's go. Guys, as you can see, super duper haba ng pila here in Ikea. Wow. Right? Super duper haba ng pila sa Ikea, guys. This already, so we're going to eat now. Maybe I'm gonna try sparkling pears. Yan, and yan. Hello guys, so I'm gonna taste test first. What will I taste test first? The meatball first. It is called the Tito Ball. Tito Ball, guys. Tito Ball.
Isa lang kinuha mo, bago.
Sarap, sobrang sarap.
May bayad yan.
Next, the chicken. So this is the wings, as you can see.
Atin na tayo sa cook sa kanila.
Mag-recipe. So cook. So sarap ng wing niya, sobra.
Perfect boss yan.
Spaghetti. So, titikman na natin yung spaghetti nila. I'm gonna put the meatball into the spaghetti. Ayan. So, the spaghetti. Ayan. Ayan. So, we put the meatball in the spaghetti. The spaghetti is okay. A bit sour. Like Italian spaghetti, kasi this is Swedish spaghetti, pero it's like an Italian spaghetti. So if you eat in the Italian restaurant, ganito yung lasa ng spaghetti. May mushroom tayo, guys. Ayan.
Dapat isa lang in-order ko. Tinanong kita kung gusto mo eh.
Sarap. So, tara.
para mag-ano pa.
So guys, parang tayo ng bumukbang ngayon. Hindi, kung bira lang ang magmukbang.
Kaya lang po dito.
Enjoy ako sa lahat sa Ikea, sa third floor, sa gaming, sa bedroom, sa mga rugs, sa mga lighting, then also dito, lahat. Tapos sa second floor, mga plates, yung mga picture ko dun sa sa cart. So, yun. That ends our vlog. So, naikot na natin buong Ikea. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Cathleen Dayao, signing off.